Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Juliana cooking channel. So today we're making grilled chicken breast, and here you could see me. I just washed the chicken breast and I'm trying to damp the water off it with paper towel, so we don't want to have messy chopping board. So I just finished damping the water of the meat. So apparently cutting the meat into the sizes I want it to be when we make it in the grill. Welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, I would like you to do so. I want you to give this channel a huge thumbs up. I want you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet, and I want you to share this video to as many people as you could. You're so much welcome to do so, and I love to have you here with me, and I hope you tune in next time. So apparently I'm cutting the chicken breast into pieces, into the size I want it to be. You could cut this into any size you want. You could make it bigger. You could slice it flat. Any size of your choice, you could do that. It's absolutely optional to cut it any size you want to. So right now I'm adding our seasoning. I'm putting in the pepper. I just put in the pepper, and right now putting in my complete seasoning. I just showed that to you. These are all so it could have taste. I just added another complete seasoning, and here I'm adding my salt, and I'm mixing everything together. So I'm putting in our oil. I just put in oil, and I marinated everything. So we're gonna be using green bell pepper, and we're gonna be using yellow bell pepper for grilled chicken breast today. So I'm adding seasoning. I just added salt to the already cut bell pepper. So right now I'm trying to marinate the ingredients into the bell pepper, the green and the yellow bell pepper, and that's what you see me do. And I just added some oil just to make it moist when it's done, when we finally grill it. That's why I just added in that oil, because we're gonna be grilling this red and green bell pepper. We definitely gonna grill it. I don't want it raw. I just want it a little bit cooked. So that's why we're gonna be grill. Forgive my English. So we're gonna grill this red and yellow and green bell pepper, I mean to say. So here we have our meat, the chicken breast. We have it already on the grill, so cooking it on a very low heat. The reason being that I don't really want it to get burnt. I want it to come out nice, brown, light brown, nice color. I don't want it to look so dark, brown or color after it's been grilled. So that's why I'm grilling it on a very low heat. I also advise you do the same. You try to grill on a low temperature heat. If you're like my type of person that don't really like things that are burnt, is well encouraged for you to do that. Right now, I'm trying to flip the chicken breast over to make sure that every part of the chicken breast is well cooked. I don't want some parts cooked, and I don't want an undone chicken breast, some parts cooked and some parts still raw. No. So I'm really taking my time to do this. It's gonna take a while, but I prefer it well done than half done. So I just finished flipping the chicken breast over, and this is still cooking gradually, and it's taking some little bit of time. So that's what's going on here right now, and I'm trying to fix it, adjust it properly, making sure that every part of the meat gets well cooked or well roasted or well grilled. So apparently I added in our bell pepper. Like I told you earlier on, I want the bell pepper cooked a little bit soft. I don't want it too raw. So that's why I added it to the grilled meat. While the meat is grilled, the pepper can as well grill. And this is definitely looking appetizing. This is definitely looking good. I tell you guys, this is looking delicious already. So if you have watched up until this moment and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, I want you to please do so. Subscribe to my video, subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up. I want you to share this video in your WhatsApp group, share it to any of your platform. You're so welcome to do that. I want you to hit the notification button so that whenever I upload any video, you'll definitely be one of the best to get notification about my video. And I want you to come back again, and if you have any comment regarding this recipe, I want you to put it in the comment section. I'll definitely respond to your comment in a timely manner. So I love you guys, and I want to have you back again. So meat is still grilling. We want it well cooked, so I'm taking my time to make sure it's properly grilled. All right, so it's ready right now to be served. So I'm serving this with the grilled pepper, the bell pepper, and the yellow and the green bell pepper. You could see how nice that look. You could see how beautiful it's looking. It's looking crispy. It's looking good. The chicken breast is not burnt at all. If you could see it, just like I'm looking at it right now, is not burnt. No part of it is burnt. That's because we took our time to grill it, making sure it's properly grilled. We grilled it carefully. We're in a very low temperature heat so that it could come out nice, clean, light brown, like you could see right now, and it's not burnt at all. Thank you for tuning into my channel. I hope to see you next time. I wanted to invite a friend when you're coming next time. So bye bye.